Hey friends, if you encounter the error, your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to remove the peripherals. Now, what do I mean by peripherals? I specifically mean printers, scanners, cameras because they start pushing in their own drivers, thus causing a conflict with the drivers of the system. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar. Open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on open system restore. Select choose a different restore point. Click on next. Select a good restore point. Click on next and finally click on finish to initiate the process. The last solution is a cloud reset. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything and then finally select the option for cloud reset. For a cloud reset, this will surely fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.